For this repair, you're going to need, obviously, your iPhone 4, a small pentalobe screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic case opening tool, and a printable screw organizer sheet. All the tools and parts seen in this video are available at iPhoneshopusa.com. Links will be posted in the video description below. Depending on what kind of iPhone screws you have at the bottom, you're either going to need a Phillips screwdriver or a pentalobe screwdriver. Start by removing the bottom two screws using either the Phillips or the pentalobe screwdriver. Once the two screws have been removed, you can remove the back cover by simply sliding and then lifting. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw holding down the battery connector. Use a case opener tool to pop the battery connector. Remove the small cover and pop the audio cable connector. To remove the battery, simply lift up. Remove these next two screws. Remove the cover, and using a case opener tool, pop the connector and pull back the ribbon cable. Next, remove these next 5 screws. Remove the cover by pushing in the direction shown, and it should come off easily. Remove these 2 screws holding down the vibrator. Remove the vibrator and set it aside. Next, we're going to pop these 5 connectors. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, remove the next screw, and then place it aside. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the water sensor sticker and set it aside. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw that's underneath that sticker. Next, remove the SIM tray by either using a paper clip or the SIM removal tool. Remove the next 2 screws holding down the speaker. Gently remove the main board. Next, remove the speaker assembly. We're now going to remove a series of 10 screws. 3 on the sides, 1, 2, 3. 1 in each corner, 1, 2. And on the opposite side, 3 screws with washers, 1, 2, 3, and 1 on each corner. With all the screws removed, this is how it looks. This is probably the most difficult part of the repair, but what we need to do is remove the screen from the frame, and to do that you just slide the case opener tool around the edges. It's going to be held in place by some adhesive, but with a little bit of patience you should be able to remove the screen. Once you got it separated enough, guide the cables through the hole that's in the frame. Next, we're going to reuse the ear speaker mesh by pushing it out and then removing the mesh. Place it aside, take your new part, and place the mesh over the hole. Take your new screen and guide the cables through the hole in the frame. And make sure everything is flush. Make sure your cables are all the way through and they are not pinched between the frame. It's now time to reassemble the iPhone, doing everything we did to take it apart in reverse. This now completes the repair. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit iPhoneshopusa.com for all the parts and tools used in this video.